Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to use morph transition like a pro to create amazing image animation in PowerPoint. Whether you are making a presentation or cool slideshow, this technique will take your image to the next level. So let's start the video. First, let's insert the image we want to animate. Then click on picture. Select an image from your computer and place it on the slide. Select the image and crop it like this. Now, we need to duplicate the slide for the morph transition. Right click and click on duplicate the slide. Go to the transition tab and select morph. PowerPoint will automatically animate the transition between the two slides. We are going to crop the image to create a morph effect, which will create a picture highlight. To make your presentation more attractive, you can add text also. Duplicate the slide. Let's highlight another picture here. And let's change the text. Duplicate the slide again. Now highlight the third picture here. And change the text. Now it's time to preview the entire animation. Go to the first slide and click on slideshow. And that's it. You have learned how to use morph transition like a pro for image in PowerPoint. If you are working on a project presentation, this technique will surely impress you. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out my awesome PowerPoint tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.